This is Meenakshi, Assistant Professor from Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. We are covering the course Network Security and the topic is Mobile Device Security. The objectives are to learn about the basics of mobile device security and the security elements in mobile device security. So what is mobile device security and why we need? So most of the organizations, now they depend on mobile devices. They are the main parts in their network infrastructure. Before the invention of smartphones, the network security was based upon clearly defined perimeters. That is, we have the clear separation between the trusted internal network from the untrusted internet. But now it is not applicable. Due to the massive changes, the organization network must now handle growing usage of new devices. So they have to support cloud-based application. So deperimeterization is needed to support various services, and they need external business requirements. So because of these, several threats may happen. So because of the growing usage of smartphones or mobile devices, the security threats are the lack of physical security controls, the use of untrusted mobile devices, the use of untrusted network, untrusted content, the use of application created by unknown parties, the interaction with other system, usage of location services. So all these created some security threats. So in order to secure the mobile device, we need mobile device security. And now we move on to the elements behind mobile device security. So the basic elements are mobile device configuration server, application database server, authentication or access control server, and the firewall. That is, we have 4 main elements in mobile device security. One is mobile device configuration server, and the second one is application or database server. That is this one, application or database server. And the third one is authentication or access control server. That is here, authentication or access control server. And the final one is firewall. So what is the use of mobile device configuration server means? So mobile devices configured with security mechanism and parameters which are applicable to specific organization security policy. To meet a security policy of particular organization, we have to configure them with the proper mechanisms and parameters. The mobile traffic is encrypted using SSL or IPsec. So as I told, the first component is mobile device configuration server. So the use of mobile device configuration server, it is used to configure all the mobile devices with the security mechanism and parameters, and all these are agreed with organization security policy. So the second one is application or database server. So the data is encrypted using SSL or IPsec. Already I told you. And the next component is authentication or access control server. So authentication and access control server, they use several protocols, and they are the main component which are used to verify the device and the user. So after the verification only, it establishes the access based on the need. And the final component is firewall. So firewall protects the internal network from the public network. Okay, so firewall limits the scope of data and application access. So that's about mobile device security elements. So with this, I'm concluding today's topic. Thank you all.